Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen, cooking with Gory Bobby. आप सबका स्वागत है मेरे किचन में। मैं आज बना रही हूँ राजमा बैंगन फ्राई और chawal. I can't say
Why
it.
do you have that flower on your head?
Oh, my baby brought it back for me from the park.
Lavish got a flower for Mama.
You want to wash, rinse, and soak 1 cup of kidney beans for 8 hours. Right now, while our beans are soaking, we're going to go ahead and make our tomato puree. You can use 1 can of tomato puree if you don't want to make your own. I'm going to make my own. It's simple. You just start by cutting out the core and then just slicing it down the middle, and then you'll just take a spoon and remove the insides. Remove the insides like that. All right, now we have all of our tomatoes chopped, coarsely chopped. Let's go over to the stove and get our pan heated. Adding in our tomatoes. And you'll want to cook these on a medium flame until they start to get nice and soft and mushy. I like to add on a lid just so it excels the process faster. See, while putting on that lid, look at the process. Just in a couple of minutes, it's already almost finished. All right, now when your consistency looks like this is when you will want to turn off the burner and let it cool for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, while the tomatoes are cooling, let's go ahead and chop 1 large onion. You will want to finely chop the onion. So now we'll go ahead and blend our tomatoes. Now you can take the peeling off of your tomatoes. Some people do. I don't. I just de-seed the middle, and then we'll go ahead and blend this. And as you can see, it made 1 cup, exactly what we need. Now I'm going to turn on my Instapot to saute mode, and I have already added some oil to the bottom of the pan. All right, so once that heats up, we're going to add 3/4 teaspoons of garlic paste, 3/4 teaspoons of ginger paste, or 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, along with 1 chili. That's optional. And then you will fry until the raw smell is gone. All right, so once the raw smell is gone, let's go ahead and add in those finely chopped onions. Now you want to add a little bit of salt at this time. And you want to saute these onions until they're caramelized but not burnt. That is a very big part of this process. Make sure they are caramelized but not burnt. Caramelized onions dissolve faster and nicer in the masala, so that's why you want them caramelized. This should take about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, once your onions are done caramelizing, turn off your Instapot, and we're gonna add 3/4 teaspoons of chili powder, 3/4 teaspoons garam masala, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. And we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Now just nicely mix everything so it's well combined, but make sure your Instant Pot is off. You do not want to burn the spices or the onions any more than what they should be. Once everything looks like that, you'll go ahead and add in 2 cups of water and deglaze the bottom of your pan. And now we'll add in our soaked 1 cup of Rajma beans. We'll mix everything nicely. Everything is nice and combined. We'll pop on our lid. Pressure cook for 20 minutes. Okay, so while our Rajma is cooking in the Instant Pot, let's go ahead and cook our puree till it no longer has that fresh tomato smell. If you have a trivet, you can put it over your beans in your Instant Pot with a single pot with your puree in it, and you can cook it like that in the pressure cooker. I'm just gonna do it this way. Once we have cooked the raw smell away from the puree, turn off your burner, pop on the lid, and remove it from the heat. We'll let that sit on the back burner and just wait until our Rajma is finished in the pressure cooker, and then we will go to the next step of the process. All right, so once your Instant Pot has released the pressure on its own, let's go ahead and open it up. Check your beans, make sure they're finished. They should be nice and mushy. Yes, they are. So you just want to mash about 2 tablespoons worth. So just, you can take them out and mash them, but I just mash a few like this, just to give it a little consistency. So I'll just mash a few like that. Just like so. And then let's turn back on that saute mode on the Instant Pot. And let's go ahead and add in our puree. Now you want to cook this for about 4 minutes with the puree. Remember, we already cooked out the strong tomatoey flavors, so we don't have to worry about that. Now we're just letting everything combine together and get to a nice consistency that we want. At this time, you can also add salt to taste, and you can add about another half of a teaspoon of garam masala if you feel like you need it. Also, depending on how you like your consistency, I'm gonna serve mine with rice, so I want mine to have a little bit of runny consistency. So you can add anywhere from a half of a cup to a cup, just depending on how you like it. So I'm gonna cook this for a little bit and see what the consistency turns after that, and then I'll decide if I wanna add more water or not. All right, so at this time, I'm gonna add a little bit of more garam masala and some more salt to taste. I'm also gonna add in about a tablespoon of crushed methi. Give that a nice mix. Along with a squeeze of lime. All right, and then I will add 2 tablespoons of ghee. I will add a half of a cup of water, but make sure it is boiling hot water, not cold water. Just because I want it a little bit more runnier. And as it sets, it will thicken up. This is a good consistency right here. Right, so let's give it a taste test, see if it needs anything. Perfect, guys, perfect. So I'll just garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. And there you have it, guys. Nice Rajma. I hope you all enjoy. Are you enjoying?
Wow, Rajma eating Bibi. Mama.
Look at that.
What a bugulal be my Shana. Jo Shana. Uncle, big bite.
Ooh, big bite.
Good job.
Ah, good job.
Ooh,
It's a little bit hot, but not bad.
it's okay.
What about your
Eggplant. Potatoes.
eggplant? This one. This one.
Come. Bite. Oh my god.
Good job. Uh-oh. It's okay. I help you.
Oh wow. Yummy.
Now the plate is that way. Try. I should have put it that side before. Oh, I got such a big bite.
Uy.
Oh. Oh, is that tasty?
Good job.
Anataya hai, aa jao.
Okay. क्या है खाने में क्या है आज टुडे आज का वीडियो हिंदी में we got what we have over here
Rajma,
okay
rava fried eggplant,
okay
mango pickle, salad, and rice.
oh butter जो बिन बताओ जो जो ना
I'm in the video.
Oh, he wants to eat in the video too.
oh okay हम eat first
Why are you always first? I always try always first.
अरे वाह राजमा तो एकदम शाही राजमा है किंग्स good job.
All right, Hartish, it's your turn, buddy.
I'm gonna go with the Vange first.
Okay, go.
It is so good. I love it.
It's your favorite every time anyways. Okay,
Yeah.
next,
Rice.
Rajma and rice. Why do you do that every time like that? It's too hot on your hands?
Oh my god. That is so good. If you have a 1,100,000 out of 10.
Oh, God. All right, guys, let's try. My turn. You like my flour my baby gave me?
Have you smelled the flour before?
Tasty. Eggplant?
How do you like my cooking?
Pickle? Best, guys. Best. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया तो फॉलो कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए. मिलते हैं अगली बार. Bye.